This vlog gonna be kind of all over the place.
Yo. I don't know if y'all can see me. The fucking lighting is horrible right now.
That's what I'm saying. This vlog gonna be all over the place because like we've been working like so much, and it's just like we ain't
my mama, bro.
vlog.
Like, bro, y'all know, bro. If y'all working, bro, goddamn, bro, you gotta pay the bills. You gotta do things.
Like right now, we go in at 6 and we don't get off till like 3 or 4 in the morning.
Yeah, but
like,
it's all good, bro. It's like, nigga, it's not nothing, bro. We grinding. We gonna stay on that grind. You always gotta stay on that grind, bro. Don't waste no
Amar
time.
just posted arguing with my girl on the phone.
You know what I'm saying, bro? I'm telling you, bro, when a nigga get up and get monetized, though, bro, a nigga's not gonna be chilling, bro. Y'all gonna be seeing way more of
tomorrow,
us,
we gonna go get the tires done. Y'all gonna see us. We're gonna get these tires fixed because the valve stems, we're gonna get those fixed. Y'all gonna see that. Then we're gonna get because we got a car wash yesterday, but it rained the day before yesterday. Then it rained yesterday. So we're gonna get another one tomorrow. So y'all gonna go on with that with us.
Yup. And then so shit, we just been grinding. Y'all don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe on the video. Y'all know. So, but if y'all y'all do want me to cook you a meal, let's do any type of little recipe, vlog type shit. Off on the inside back room of the kitchen, let me know, bro. I can hook you up something. Come up here to Katie, bro. I work up here. We work up here. Yup.
Nah, for real.
Nah, for real though. So a lot of stuff to do out here, man. Houston has been great to us, bro.
Yes, it has.
You know what I'm saying? There's so much love out here. There's love everywhere we go. We don't even know people and they treat us like family immediately.
My mama.
It's way better. It's way better. So
No.
man, them boys out, boy.
Yeah.
Y'all stay safe, boy. Y'all stay safe. Them laws been cracking.
He in
people
charge.
down, man. Y'all do the right thing, bro. Cause that other stuff, bro, you can't do it for so long, bro. It only lasts so long, bro. Before you get caught up, nigga. So y'all have a wonderful day, night, morning.
Tomorrow we'll get back with church. Like I said, this vlog gonna be kind of all over the place.
Yeah.
But it's just because we've been working so much.
We gonna have different clothes on and we gonna be different scenery.
But
just
trust
pop up
me, like
that.
Trust me when I tell y'all, like we really trying to get y'all some content. But it's just like with work and then we sleep and then after we sleep, it's like we be so tired that because we gotta go back to work overnight and we so tired, like be like we can't really do much. So like
then we gonna get y'all though.
We gonna get y'all like
what y'all want,
for sure. But we gonna probably, like I said, we're gonna get the car done tomorrow with the tires, and then we're gonna go to get a car wash, and then I don't know what the day has in store for us because we don't go to work till 10 o'clock at night. So it's like we have an over day to do something. So tomorrow it's no excuse. We're gonna
give y'all some shifters just came in.
Oh yeah, y'all wanna see? Y'all wanna see?
Look at that. Y'all see them paddle shifters? Y'all put it. See it? Light up there. Can shift. Y'all see it in the white letters.
Then you got Then you got the shifters on the side.
Y'all see the paddles?
You got the other one on the other side too.
Y'all see it? Man, all you Camaros and other niggas, y'all gonna be hurt, bro, cause you gonna see me in Houston, you gonna be like, damn, who was this man driving in this white Lincoln that fast like this? It's crazy, my boy. Looking ass, nah, but shit.
But yeah, y'all.
We gonna get with you.
We gonna get back with you, cause we probably finna go in here. I'm probably gonna give me some fries or something. I'll probably record when I get them so you can see. But we can get back with y'all. We love y'all. Peace. Vantz family. We back. So this, like I said in the last little clip, this video is gonna be all over the place. But bear with us, cause we've been working.
We finna get another camera.
But we are off today, so we are just.
Bro, get out the way, man.
People just don't know how to drive in Houston. But yeah, so like we're finna go do some little content. I don't know what we're finna do yet, but we're just giving y'all something, cause work was crazy last night, y'all. Like,
bro, don't come with all that foolishness, bro. Like, when y'all go out to eat, bro, don't go up in there acting a fucking fool, fam.
For one, if y'all don't like our server, call for a manager and ask to switch another server. And then for two, if your food is old or nasty or whatever and y'all don't like it, ask for a manager. Don't go off on our server. Like, because I came into work having to handle somebody else's table because they was going off on them. Like, shit, bro. And I work overnight, so I already had a hard ass shift.
Bro. These motherfucking parking lots, bro.
Yeah, we're in the Walmart parking lot, so when we get back to our destination, we'll get back with y'all because it's like traffic and people walk in and out, you know. Peace. Family. Oh, it's sunny to the hole.
Lord.
Y'all, so back to what I was saying in my last little clip.
I don't be on my head about this mask. I just got a mask.
But yeah, work. Oh my God, y'all. Some stuff happened, like customers tried to fight somebody, and man.
Thank Jesus, I was off.
And then last night, that was last night and this morning. Last night I had to send somebody home. Then today, we're off. I had to go up to the job because something happened at the job. Somebody tried to stab somebody, I guess. I don't know.
Man, we serving pancakes and hearts. Looking at it.
No. Dude.
Nah, if you know, you know. Major, bro, where you been at, man?
Bro, Major, bro, for real.
Bro, you been missing all the action ever since we started. I don't know what the fuck been going on.
I ain't seen you.
Nigga, don't tell me you done left. You done dipped off then. Start working at the other ones.
He said, anyway, fuck. He said, fuck y'all.
Hold on, bro. I got to talk to these bitches. Bro.
Ooh, he smelled that theater popcorn. That theater popcorn. What it smell like?
What a restaurant is this?
Ooh, that brightness.
I don't know what type of drugs that nigga had on, but I swear to God, this nigga just walked through the future and like through the prison all at the same time. Like, we can see
he really did. Nah,
like he look like the TV when you ain't got no cable. And I ain't talking black screen.
But yeah, I don't want to get copyrighted, so I'll get back with you. Peace. So try to go to the restroom.
Y'all, when we got the bubble bus, you know.
Baby gotta go to the restroom. But yeah, y'all, because the music right here, I'm finna talk a little loud, so.
Nah, for real. Hey, we gonna get back with y'all when we get out the fucking restroom.
Peace.
Shit. It's an illusion.
It's an illusion. He's so happy he finally did it. He been waiting. Every time we come, he don't never get able to do it. But yeah, y'all, I'm finna cut y'all off. Peace. Just spent bought myself some stuff, bro. Yeah, I had to buy me some stuff, yeah.
Yeah, we finessed the shit out there about 60 times.
I'm on mama.
Okay.
I would do it again, but I do got another Facebook.
Nah, bro.
That's $23. But yeah, there's some, like, I don't even, bro, like, know what to really just do about this.
Actually, to the other side of the mall right there. Like, you can just take a shortcut through the hall and go all the way to the mall, other side of the mall.
Yeah, we probably finna get something to eat, though, so I will get back with y'all and see. Peace. Y'all. I walked past this girl, bro, and she was smashing on her food, bro. She
talking about gums, about to come right off her teeth. Oh, God. In Jesus' name, bro.
Y'all, this mall is so busy today. No, thank you. No, it's not okay. I know you mad like a bitch. I know she low-key mad, y'all.
Good. I don't know what we're gonna do right now, but I know we're gonna do something today. We ain't gonna do.
Yeah, probably not till tonight. We finna figure something to do.
So, take a ride to the beach.
Probably finna get a car wash.
Yeah, we gotta show y'all the views. This is very beautiful day. What's today, Monday?
Yeah.
It's about 80 degrees outside, y'all. So, y'all can bring your shorts and socks and no socks.
Boy, she trying to be her vaping and like be cool about it. This girl right there. She down there.
So how long today?
Let's go on here. You need some earrings? Oh yeah, you can get a piercing for like $50. Well, it depends how much the earring is. They have the earrings over there that you can get. They have cheap ones. I just want to get my earrings back up. That's all. That's why I kept trying to find earrings. You seen how many earrings I got? Like,
this ain't the stuff for me today.
And that's fucked up. She dropped everything. She just dropped it.
You break, you buy.
You couldn't even see him. You seen his mask.
Fuck that shit. I see you, bro.
You wanna hold it? Talk to them.
Bro, shit, how
Hey,
y'all?
these are cute, right?
As soon as I start saying something, I should want to say something.
My bad, y'all these kids.
We don't care.
Nah, he gonna care when he see him mommy though. Like you got doing all that extra shit, my nigga. Shit.
But yeah.
Cause y'all know he in love.
Hey, this how hard though, right?
Oh, he tried to walk out right there. I said, yeah.
Nah, them hoes kinda hard.
He's a hard love.
Them hoes got the bust of glitter in it, bitch. You busting your mouth with glitter. If they went over your head, y'all just ain't from the hood. But shit, I don't know what we're gonna do in Paris.
Oh, these are these are clip earrings.
Clip and rings, you know what I'm saying? You ain't gotta get your
Spencer's,
shit.
that's where I need to go.
Yeah, she need to get them tigers. Another set.
Yeah, let's go do there.
Another set. My boy, so we're gonna get out of here real
Peace,
quick.
Yo, we walked in the mall and I smelled this theater popcorn. Then we got close to the theater and it's like even more stronger. And y'all know theater popcorn, you can only get that at a theater. Fuck Tilt, bro. We spent so much money in it. And we ain't even get shit. Y'all hear the fucking busting. We spent about $50 in that bitch, bro, and didn't make shit. Bro, we didn't even get shit. We got, what was our prize? We didn't even use them to get a prize. We just brought them.
Oh no, we got that good light.
The what?
Good light.
Oh yeah, but no, that was at Dave and Buster's. We just kept our cards here. We didn't get our Yeah, we threw them away when you clean the car, right?
Yeah.
But yeah, y'all.
Just never gonna use them hoes in it, baby.
Antique way.
Oh, this house smells good too.
Pretzel place.
Hey, but that shit not here like whatever. What's that place? In Richland Mall?
Auntie's Pretzel.
Yeah, oh my mama, man. Y'all know, bro. For real.
I'm my mama.
I got the Kobe posters in here, no cap. Nipsey Hussle. Hey, if y'all looked at that All-Star game last night, hey, that hoe was lit,
Yeah,
man.
the game was lit.
That hoe was lit. They had all the OGs out there, man.
They did a tribute to my long Kobe,
y'all know
you know.
basketball. Y'all know basketball, bro. Y'all gonna get there. Don't get chill.
But yeah, y'all, we're finna get into Spencer's. I don't know if they got music, so I'll get with y'all in a little bit.
Peace.
Double water? This hoe is broke. This fucking is broke.
You know what I'm saying? You know what? What's that, man? Sam?
Double press. The double shit.
You started going wild.
Bro, I didn't even press that hoe. That hoe tripping.
I was a wild animal for a whole minute. I was like, oh, goddamn, oh, now. Put it on the triple phone.
Y'all fell over, y'all. We'll get back with y'all, KP. I'm washing the car. We just got done washing the car. I'm finna turn the camera and give y'all a little thing. Y'all see it, y'all see it. We just got done washing it, washing the baby, Tires looking busted. Tires looking busted. Yeah, you got the tires busted. Back looking good. Tires, windows still coming.
I see that big crystalline. Yeah, y'all see that paint? Put the camera. I don't think they really can see the flakes in that paint.
You see it right there.
Y'all can see the flakes in that paint, man.
Yeah, y'all know.
Yeah. Nah, for real, shout out to you shit.
Yeah, but yeah, we're gonna get back with y'all in a little bit. Peace. Family.
On me.
Y'all wanna see the view?
Bro, when I tell y'all, bro, I don't know where we.
Look, I'm gonna turn the camera around and show y'all. Give me 1 second.
Bro. I don't know where we at though, bro. It's like
Pandora, ooh.
nigga, it's so much stuff over here, bro.
It's like a whole
little. Seen
little.
all type of restaurants, bro, that I've never seen in my 23 years of living, bro.
Yeah, we smoking that gas.
Like, bro, nigga, I done seen. I mean, clear as that shit, you know, normal.
Look
like,
at the sexy man.
Man, bro, appreciate that. But like, it's all type of shit over here. It's like everything, bro. I ain't never seen a lot of this shit like White House Black Market. Like, bro, I ain't never heard of no shit like that.
Motherfucking security right there and shit. With that nigga, his little cart.
But forget, bro. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, y'all, like, look, y'all.
This biscuit place right here, a Breeders. You know what I'm saying?
That's a restaurant, y'all. In a fucking, like, little area. And then they got Fire Disc.
Seen this bar and lounge.
Bro, I haven't seen Fire Disc in a long time. Oh, my God.
I just seen this live-ass bar and lounge ass place,
Yes, and look,
bro.
they got a UPS and a sushi bar.
I got all this shit. I got everything.
Relax the back.
Which way? Left or right?
It don't matter, either or. Urban Mexican Grill. It's called like what? Centenera.
And this motherfucking security guard hit the U-turn so motherfucking swiftly and briefly. So shit, I'm finna go left, y'all, so we can see what the fuck going on down here for y'all, bro. Cause if y'all ain't, what is this? It's like something like Cinco Ranch.
Yeah, it's near Cinco Ranch.
So y'all see the vibes out here, man.
Yeah, y'all. We really, I ain't gonna cap that. We really just been enjoying our time together today and just been driving around, looking at stuff and exploring. Cause we really been working so much that we ain't been able to really do much.
Y'all see all this out here? Man, this shit is live, man. Excuse the brakes, I'm finna do them in a couple of days, so chill out. But they got free Wi-Fi out here. Just to sit out here. And just sitting out here is Wi-Fi. You ain't even gotta go in the store. You just sit outside. Free Wi-Fi for you. Broke ass. Nah, I'm playing. But anyway, shit.
But yeah, y'all, we gonna get back with y'all.
Peace.
Welcome, shop.
Yo. We at Lena Mays, man. And Katie, Texas, look. Y'all go get the crispy tacos. First time I'm trying them. Hey, look. It's 10 out of 10. I'm not even gonna lie. Not just because he's standing right there. It's 10 out of 10. It ain't no regular taco. You know,
It's good. Like, it's like...
You got the vegan.
Oh, yeah, you can get plant-based, too.
Plant-based and everything. You got
So for
both.
my vegans out there, y'all can come over here.
But you know me, I like to eat regular beef. You know what I'm saying?
But yeah, my vegans, y'all
They got
can come get
pound cake and everything, so come shop at them. Y'all go get them right, man. They gonna get you
yeah,
right.
y'all, they right here at the corner store, Friends Road, Friends Market. Y'all come shop.
Y'all gonna shop. Y'all come
Alright,
shop.
y'all.
Get them out. Lemon lime. What's this called, baby?
Lemon lime, crack grapes, the crack grapes.
Man, let me try this out. don't know what they doing. They probably put crack in it for real. Look, this so good right here. Oh, man.
All right, yeah. Look, this watermelon, look.
Watermelon right here.
Gonna get right back with you.
It's like a fruity pebble in a grape.
Y'all should try the alcohol. We got alcohol with some.
For real?
On the weekend. And you full of tea. It's like a jello shot.
Look, y'all better come shop with them, for real. Yeah.
Hey, yo. Y'all see what I'm talking about,
Yeah, shop
man.
with them,
Oh,
look.
look at this. Look at it. Man, stop playing.